Hotep senu hena senut. Hotep senu hena senut. Tiren Ishaka Nugu Kemet. I hope you're doing well. The title of this live stream is Afrika Bambaataa, Arrest Warrant, an Open Court Case for Child Sexual Abuse. Now, it will be very brief because I have another live stream, um, and you have the link there. I was listening to Hassan Campbell, and he said something that I was unaware of, and I want you to hear it. But let me first share the link. One moment. That's it. So I'm going to share the title and the link. There it is. You have it in the chat there. Hey, Hotep University TV. So you have the link here. Let me share it now. So you can see the title of the video is math. Sorry, if well, he meant to write is Matt Hofer guilty. Well, the video has 13,000 views and it was uploaded only 3 hours ago. It has 949 likes. Now Hassan Campbell has, as you can see, 453,000 subscribers. So let's listen to what he said. I'm going to mute my mic.
Dr. York worked with a lot of children. He's doing life in jail for crimes against what he did to those children. Afrika Bambaataa worked with a lot of children. He's not in jail, but he's not responding to an arrest warrant that he has, and he has an open court case pending for child abuse, child sexual abuse.
So you heard it, and as I was talking about this with an elder that you actually know, because we had a conversation about Bambaataa a while back, he sent a link to me, and I'm going to show you. Well, let me share it, by the way. Oh, come on now. Okay. Let me share the link in the chat. Hey, hello. We have Andrea Brunet in the place to be. We also have Kelvin Fredericks in the place to be. I hope you will join us in the upcoming live stream, which will be in 5 minutes, actually. So in the chat, I'm sharing the title and the link to this article. Hotep, I forgot to reply to that. Greeting. So here you have the link here. This is allhiphop.com. And it says, Afrika Bambaataa may lose sex abuse lawsuit by default. Now you can see the date is September 5th, 2022. So it is quite recent. Afrika Bambaataa's accuser sued the hip hop pioneer in 2021. The alleged victim said he was sexually abused and trafficked in the 90s. An unnamed accuser is seeking a ruling in his sexual abuse lawsuit against Afrika Bambaataa. According to court documents obtained by All Hip Hop, Afrika Bambaataa never responded to the lawsuit. There's even a link regarding this. Well, you know what? I'm going to share this as well. It's a strong title. Might run a few minutes late for the next live stream, but is it all fitting? Yes, it all fits. You can see the title here. Afrika Bambaataa and the Universal Zulu Nation sued for sexual trafficking and prostitution of a 12-year-old. But let me continue here. It's not that long, so it will be a good timing. His accuser's lawyer filed a new motion for a default judgment. The defendant has failed to appear, answer, or otherwise respond to the plaintiff's duly served verified complaint. Has been provided with the statutorily required notice as to the initiation of this proceeding, and his time for responding has expired without any answer being served or motion made, Attorney Hugo G. Ortega wrote. Hence, this honorable court should grant plaintiff a default judgment against the defendant and set this matter down for an assessment on plaintiff's damages. Afrika Bambaataa accuser was identified as John Doe in lawsuit. The alleged victim said he was 12 years old when he first met the hip hop pioneer in 1991. The plaintiff quickly became a member of the Zulu Nation and joined Afrika Bambaataa's security team. The alleged victim said he was often invited to the DJ's apartment, which led to the sexual abuse. Afrika Bambaataa frequently commented on my muscular body and would touch me on my shoulders, biceps, and torso, John Doe recalled. This progressed to his touching my private parts, as well as encouraging me to watch pornographic videos as well as to masturbate in his presence while watching those pornographic videos. John Doe claimed he was groomed, raped, and sexually trafficked by Afrika Bambaataa, whose real name is Lance Taylor. And here we have a video of Hassan Campbell, also known as Poppy. Eventually, defendant Lance Taylor will masturbate in my presence as well, after which the conduct escalated to mutual masturbation and then progressed to sodomy, John Doe explained. I then became a victim of sex trafficking as defendant Taylor would transport me to other locations where he would offer me full sex with other older men and would watch as I was sodomized by those other men. This abuse continued until 1995. The plaintiff said he lost the ability to enjoy life itself due to the abuse. He allegedly suffered physical and emotional distress, including suicidal thoughts and depression. John Doe is seeking compensatory and punitive damages. Afrika Bambaataa denied multiple allegations of sexual abuse in 2016. Recently, defamatory statements were published seeking to harm our client's reputation so as to lower him in the estimation of the community while deterring others from associating or dealing with him. The statements show a reckless disregard for the truth, were published with knowledge of their falsity, and are being made by a lesser known person seeking publicity. Valuable cultural resources such as Afrika Bambaataa's good name and time should never be used to assist a mediocre person's asinine quest for social media popularity and superficial gain. BAM's attorney Vivian K. Tozaki told allhiphop.com. Well, I don't know if she's still his attorney, but it is said here that there was no response. So that's about it. It's time for me to do the next live stream. Once again, you have the link. No, not this one. Here. It's actually the first link that I've shared in the chat. So see you then.